Hello everyone, my name is Gal from Locksmith, Cincinnati, and today I want to show you how to pick this rim cylinder lock with a big tool gun using the tension. So what you gotta do is to put a tension inside the cylinder. I gotta replace mine, that's for sure. And then if you press too much, that's not going to work. What you gotta do is to take the big gun tool inside the cylinder. First of all, feel all the pins. After that, you actually press on it and with a tension gently. And here you go. Just pick a 5-pin rim cylinder lock and you can do it by yourself. So before calling a locksmith, if you can pick your own lock, do it yourself. If not, call us at any time, 513-202-4240. Thank you.